In this video, you will learn the fundamental meaning of the Japanese particle ni. Ni expresses the goal of a movement. This is why the particle ni usually collocates with verbs of movement, such as iku to go, kuru to come, and tsuku to arrive, to reach. Here are some example sentences involving verbs of motion. おじいちゃんは地獄に行くと思う。おじいちゃんは地獄に行くと思う。I think grandpa is going to hell. In this sentence, the noun 地獄 hell is followed by the particle に. Therefore, hell is the destination of grandpa's movement. Likewise, in the sentence おばあちゃんは地獄に着いたかな。おばあちゃんは地獄に着いたかな。I wonder if grandma has reached hell. The particle ni indicates that the noun hell is the destination towards which grandma is headed. In the next episode, you will learn another meaning of ni.